Every morning carries with it a quiet promise, a new beginning, a fresh chance to care for ourselves, and for those of us in our golden years, an opportunity to nurture the most important muscle in our body, the heart. As the sun rises and the world stirs to life, so too does our circulatory system, ready to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every cell. For seniors, especially those over 60, our heart's resilience becomes ever more precious. At Life Advice for Golden Years, we believe that the choices we make in the morning can set the tone for our health throughout the day, and perhaps for years to come. Imagine starting your day not with just any beverage, but with one specifically chosen to support your heart. Recent research and health experts now highlight the impact of morning drinks on cardiovascular health, offering seniors a simple, delicious way to boost well-being right from the first sip. Let's embark on a journey through the best morning drinks for heart health, exploring what makes each one special, how they work, and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Let's begin with green tea, a centuries-old elixir revered across cultures and now celebrated by modern science. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are compounds shown to reduce cholesterol levels and promote better blood flow. For seniors, this can mean a lower risk of plaque buildup in the arteries and improved circulation. The ritual itself is soothing. A fragrant steam rising from a freshly steeped cup, the warmth cradling your hands, and the gentle, grassy notes awakening your senses. Consistent intake of green tea in the morning has been linked to a decrease in LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol, and a modest uptick in HDL, the good kind. But the benefits don't end there. Green tea's antioxidants help fight inflammation, a key factor in heart disease, making it a smart, simple choice for your morning routine. Now, picture a glass filled with the jewel-toned brilliance of pomegranate juice. Pomegranates have long symbolized life and vitality, and recent studies give scientific weight to their reputation. Pomegranate juice is packed with polyphenols, plant compounds that offer robust protection against inflammation. For the heart, this means a reduction in the kind of low-grade chronic inflammation that can quietly damage arteries over time. The juice also plays a role in lowering blood pressure, a crucial factor as we age and our arteries become less flexible. Some clinical trials even suggest that regular consumption can help keep our arteries clear, helping to prevent the narrowing that leads to heart attacks and strokes. Just one small glass in the morning, preferably unsweetened, can be a powerful ally for your cardiovascular health. But heart health isn't just about fighting what's wrong. It's about nurturing what's right. Enter turmeric latte, often called golden milk, a creamy blend of turmeric, milk, or plant-based alternatives, and sometimes a dash of ginger or black pepper. The secret here is curcumin, the compound that gives turmeric its vibrant yellow hue and its potent anti-inflammatory qualities. Curcumin has been shown to support heart function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, two of the main drivers of heart disease. For seniors who may deal with joint stiffness or arthritis, the anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric can also offer broader benefits, making this drink a comforting, heart-healthy choice. When preparing golden milk, remember to include a pinch of black pepper. It increases your body's ability to absorb curcumin by up to 2,000%. Let's not overlook the humble beetroot juice, a powerhouse of natural nitrates. When consumed, these nitrates convert to nitric oxide in the body, which relaxes and widens blood vessels. The result? Lower blood pressure and enhanced blood flow. This effect is especially meaningful for those over 60, as maintaining healthy blood pressure is key to reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Beetroot juice, with its earthy flavor and vibrant color, can be enjoyed alone or blended with apples or carrots for a milder taste. Studies have shown that even a single glass in the morning can begin to lower blood pressure within hours, making it one of the fastest-acting heart-friendly drinks available. Certain traditional remedies are standing up to scientific scrutiny, and apple cider vinegar is one such example. When mixed with water and a touch of honey, apple cider vinegar creates a tangy, invigorating morning tonic. This drink has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure, both vital for heart health. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may interfere with the absorption of starch, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable. a significant benefit for older adults, especially those managing diabetes or metabolic syndrome. While more research is needed, many seniors swear by this morning ritual as a way to gently awaken the digestive system and set a positive tone for the day. No morning discussion is complete without mentioning water, the most essential beverage of all. But when you add the juice of a fresh lemon, you supercharge your hydration with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Lemon water is a simple but effective way to strengthen blood vessels, improve circulation, and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Vitamin C also helps reduce arterial stiffness, an important consideration as we age. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water, ideally at room temperature, not only boosts your immune system, but also provides a refreshing, hydrating start to the morning. Cinnamon tea is another unsung hero in the realm of heart-healthy drinks. Cinnamon, long prized for its warmth and sweetness, contains compounds that help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and regulate blood sugar levels. These effects are especially beneficial for seniors, who often face challenges in maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol as metabolism slows. A cup of cinnamon tea in the morning delivers a gentle, naturally sweet flavor, without the need for added sugar, and serves as a comforting ritual that signals the start of a mindful, health-focused day. But the story doesn't end with these individual drinks. Many seniors find joy and variety in smoothies, customizable blends that can be tailored to your personal tastes and nutritional needs. By combining leafy greens like spinach or kale, unsweetened almond milk, antioxidant-rich berries, and healthy fats from avocado or chia seeds, you create a nutrient-dense powerhouse in a glass. Such smoothies deliver essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and plant-based compounds that collectively support heart health. They provide sustained energy, help maintain a healthy weight, and keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Let's pause and consider what all these drinks have in common. They are natural, minimally processed, and packed with nutrients that target the most pressing risks for seniors: high blood pressure, high cholesterol, inflammation, and poor circulation. They fit seamlessly into a heart-healthy diet, and each offers its own unique blend of flavors and benefits, making it easy to rotate and enjoy a new experience each day. It's also important to remember what to avoid. As tempting as it may be, sugary drinks, whether sodas, sweetened teas, or fruit juices with added sugar, can undermine heart health by contributing to weight gain, increasing inflammation, and raising blood pressure. The American Heart Association and other leading experts recommend limiting sugary beverages and instead favoring water, herbal teas, and the heart-supportive drinks described above. Of course, every senior's health journey is unique. Before making significant changes to your morning routine, especially if you have existing conditions or are taking medications, it's wise to consult your healthcare professional. Some drinks, such as grapefruit juice or certain herbal teas, can interact with medications, so it's always better to err on the side of caution. Making heart-healthy choices doesn't have to be complicated or costly. With just a little planning, you can transform your morning beverage into a daily act of self-care. Here are a few practical tips to get started. Try setting aside 1 week to experience a different heart-healthy drink each morning. Begin with green tea on Monday, followed by pomegranate juice on Tuesday, and so on. This approach not only keeps things interesting, but also allows you to discover which drinks you enjoy most. Prepare your ingredients the night before. Whether it's slicing lemons, brewing tea, or blending a smoothie, a little preparation can make your morning routine smoother and more enjoyable. Pay attention to portion sizes. While these drinks are beneficial, moderation is key, especially with juices which can be high in natural sugars. Listen to your body. Notice how you feel after each drink. Do you have more energy? Improved digestion? Better mood? These subtle cues can help guide your choices. As you sip your chosen beverage each morning, take a moment to reflect on the care you are giving yourself. Each cup or glass is more than just a drink. It's a gesture of respect for your heart, your health, and your future. At Life Advice for Golden Years, we celebrate these small, intentional acts that day by day add up to a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Heart health is a journey, not a destination. It's built on daily decisions, gentle routines, and the wisdom to nourish ourselves from the inside out. Whether you find comfort in the earthy notes of green tea, the tart sweetness of pomegranate juice, or the golden warmth of turmeric latte, Know that you are investing in your well-being with every sip. As the morning light filters through your window and the world begins anew, so too can your commitment to your heart. Here's to many more mornings filled with health, happiness, and the quiet confidence that comes from making choices that honor the golden years of your life.